Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify Wrap 2023 not showing. So many people are facing the problem that their Spotify Wrap 2023 is not showing. So how we can fix it, I'm going to show you that. First of all, just open up your Spotify over here. Once you open it, you can see your 2023 Wrap. But if it is not showing over here, what you can do, you can just refresh your in Spotify. Another thing you can do, you can just go to the Play Store and just check whether there is the updated version of the Spotify or not. But if it is still not showing, what you can just check your connection data. The last thing that you can do, if it is not showing, you can just uninstall it and just you can again reinstall it. But if it's still not working, what you can do, you can just report to the Spotify. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do follow our channel and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.